Ready to turn your Instagram notes into pure gold and grab everyone's attention? First, tap on your profile picture in the notes section at the top of your Instagram feed to start a new note. This is where the magic begins. Type in your message, keep it short, sweet, and gold-worthy. Think about what will catch someone's eye as they're scrolling. Now, let's add some sparkle with emojis. Search for gold-related emojis like stars, sparkles, trophies, or even just the gold heart emojis are key to visually enhancing your note. Elevate the look with a background. Instagram offers different background options, or add gold color. This small change adds visual interest to the note. Choose who sees your golden masterpiece. You can share it with close friends or everyone you follow. Select the option that best suits your needs. Once you are happy with the text, emojis, and background, go ahead and tap share. See the difference? A little gold goes a long way in making your notes stand out and drawing people in. Use these tips to create a consistent gold theme across your notes and your profile for a cohesive and visually appealing brand. That's it. Now go create some gold and watch your engagement shine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips.